Hi, my name is Joseph Andrews and I work at Mobile Enterprise Systems. In this video we're going to be talking about route management and the various different aspects of our route management software. So firstly, we're going to be talking about the route monitor, and we're going to be covering these various different points down here. So we're going to be covering things like the order status, routes, drivers and vehicles, reporting, number of packages, order details, and how to read and interpret the route monitor. We have the route monitor, as you can see, and I'll just break down all the different categories, all the different subsections, and tell you and explain a little bit about what they mean and what they do. So these are all of your routes. As you can see, route 1, route 2, there's a few test routes. If you go down, and all of them at the minute are populated, or most of them are populated with deliveries for the day. Up here you can see a color indicator telling you which different colors indicate the status of each delivery. So you can quickly skim over the page and you can see the status of each delivery across each route simply by scrolling along this small simple page. So blue indicates that the delivery has been made. So as you can see, this driver here is actually done with his route for the day. Grey equals delivery being skipped. So maybe if a customer's out or they're not available at the minute, the driver can choose to temporarily skip a customer and return to them later in the day or the following day or a few days in advance. This is so he doesn't mess up his workflow and he can be consistent and reach the rest of his customers. And third and finally, we have sort of pinky orange, pinky red even, that indicates pending, which means that these deliveries are still in progress and the driver has not yet made them. Now up here you can see a number of other indicators. We've got a driver symbol indicated by a small man. We've got the vehicle symbol, order count, the package count, and loaded packages. Now for these last three, the order count is just the number of orders that a route has. So as you can see here, route 1, Rajiv, the driver, is driving vehicle 102 and he has 6 deliveries for the day. The package count indicates the number of packages that were on that van, and the loaded packages means how many have actually been loaded. As you can see here, if you hover over this vehicle icon right here, it will tell you what type of vehicle it is. You can see it's a light commercial vehicle, and it will tell you the max weight that this vehicle is allowed to carry and the max package count. So you can see the max amount of packages this vehicle can carry is 15 and the max weight is 20 kilograms. Okay, so now if I click on any one of these deliveries, which is this one for an example, it's been completed, brings up this little window that gives you all the details about the order. So your back office staff can overview all the orders for the day along each route, receive updates on the status in real time, and they can also click on any individual order that they need to, and it will bring up all this information about them, such as the products of the particular order totals, when it's been booked, and any delivery windows. So if I show you here an example, here you can see that the delivery windows are between 9:30 and 10 in the evening, so a very large delivery window for this order. And again, it's got the details such as the address and the name of the person who placed the order in the first place. So again, if I click on any of these deliveries, take this one for example, you can also choose to download the proof of delivery. So the driver, once he's completed the delivery and he's taken the proof of delivery from the customer, marked it on his handheld as completed, you'll be able to access this from your office in real time immediately. So again, you have all the usual delivery confirmation information. We've got the products there, we've got signature and the name of the driver. Also, any photos, if there was a photographic proof of delivery, would show up here as well. If I just take you back, you can also click on this small Google icon at the top and it will actually show you your driver and where he is currently. For this test, I'm actually using 2 drivers at once, which is why you can see them currently at my house. If I scroll out, you can see them on the map there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an example using the handheld. So if you scroll down here, I'll choose route 7 for the day. It's a fair amount of deliveries that still need to be done. So if we click down here, I've just logged on and now I'm going to choose route 7 from the options, and I'm going to download today's route. Okay, so now the vehicle inspection and the stock load has been done. So now I'm just going to click on Service Customers. So as you can see, they're brought up in the order as seen on the route monitor. First off, I'm going to service Kishore. So we've got a message from the customer that comes up to collect cash. Van sales, just for this example, I'll skim through these. No returns have been taken. And here's the site summary report. Confirm that. Take a photo of my nice laptop. Go back. No, it's not what I chose. Ugh. Okay, so now that we've logged on, I'm just going to show you. Driver has completed his vehicle inspection, he's loaded his stock for the day, and now he's on to service his customers. You can see, indicated by blue, that he's already delivered to his first customer, Kishore, right there. So now we'll go ahead and service the second customer. So you can see a message has come up from the customer asking to collect the cash, and here you have the order right there. Some food, some water. Go ahead. And here you have the summary of today's order. So we'll just go ahead. I'll just take a photo really quickly. Should be evidence of delivery. And then finally, we'll confirm. Finally, we'll detect that the doors have been relocked and the alarms have been set on our end of site survey. And as you can see from the top, the event has been queued and it's been sent back to the ERP. So now, if I close this screen, and I go back to the ERP, you can see that this delivery has actually been done for the day. And if I refresh it, you can see that the second delivery that I just completed has been done as well. So you can draw up the report, you can download the proof of delivery, which has all the information on it and the photograph example that you see there as well. Okay, so now we're back on the handheld device. Driver's completed 2 routes so far. I'll just show you for an example how to skip a customer. So you hold down on this customer here, say the driver's turned up and they're temporarily unavailable, they're out on lunch and it's a small business, you can choose to temporarily skip the customer there and give the reason why. You can either choose from a variety, or you can put your own custom message in. You confirm that and it indicates to your team that you tried to make the delivery but you couldn't at that time, so you're going to continue with your schedule and with your planned route for the day. So if I close that and just show you back on the system, so it just loads the live route data. You can see that this customer is now in grey to indicate that it's unavailable, as it says just above there.